and welcome to a new episode of our Zenphi series called Automating in Under 3 Minutes. Today we're going to be going over how you can build a flow to send a notification every time a user has their primary email changed. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is going to be to set up your trigger. We're going to be using the Google Audit Activity Trigger. There's different application names that you can choose from. We're going to choose admin. The event name is going to be rename user. And in user key, we're going to set all. This is going to ensure that we're able to get the activity for all the users. If you wish to see the other events that are available, you're able to access the documentation down at the bottom. And now step number 2 is going to be to use the format date time action to be able to format when this activity occurred. So click on the token picker and then select the event time, and then you're able to choose a format of your liking. Now if we go over to the documentation for this specific event, we're going to be able to see that it's going to return the new value as well as the user's old email. So we want to be able to extract these values, so we're going to use the query collection action. We're going to indicate the values, so click on the token picker, open up the trigger, open up the parameters, and we're going to select value. For the first query collection, to be able to extract the old email, we're going to select the first item. And then to be able to extract the new email, we're going to use, again, query collection, select the values, and select the last item. And now all that's left is to notify the staff. So to do this, we're going to use the send email Gmail action. So you can send an email on behalf of your Gmail account. Simply set up the connection to the email that you want to send out the email. Select who's going to be receiving it. You can add a sender display name as well as a subject. And then down at the bottom, you can customize the body. Here I've added the person who changed the primary email, and then I've added the time of change, the old email address, and the new email address. To do that, you can use the token picker. And so now if you want to add any of these tokens inside the body, we have the new email here, the old email here, the activity time that has been formatted, and here in Actor, you can find the information of the person who actually did the activity. So let's go ahead and save and do a test run. And now if we click on test run, we're able to see the different activities that have occurred. So I'm going to select this one and click on start so we can see an example. Okay, it's gone through all the steps. And this would be the email that the user would receive. Here we have the person who made the change, the old email address, and the new one that was assigned, as well as the time of change, the date, and the time. And that would be everything. Make sure to check out our playlist so you can find other ways that you can automate in under 3 minutes.